The Bambu Lab H2D Pro is here and built on the foundation set by the H2D, refining key systems to deliver even greater performance for high temperature and engineering grade materials. Whether you're producing functional parts, prototypes, or even doing small scale production runs, the H2D Pro has the power and control needed to handle advanced materials with ease. Let's take a look at some of the key upgrades that have been included. The H2D Pro features the same dual extrusion system as the H2D, now upgraded with tungsten carbide hotends, for exceptional durability and precision. These ultra-hard nozzles resist wear from abrasive materials such as carbon or glass-filled composite filaments, offering a 50% increase in lifespan. The H2D Pro also features an upgraded air filtration system, which combines a pre-filter, a HEPA filter, and an activated carbon layer to reduce odours and capture fine particles, which is ideal for working in enclosed spaces. The H2D Pro now also features a high-performance fan, integrated directly into the toolhead cover, which enhances cooling of the extruder and hot end heatsink. This smart thermal management minimises clogging and filament jamming, even in challenging environments. The result is greater stability, stronger prints, and reliable performance with advanced materials. In addition to the improved hot ends and air management, the H2D Pro comes with the AMS2 Pro as well as the AMS HT, Bambu's new high-temp filament drying and storage solution. With active thermal control, airtight storage, and built-in humidity management, the AMS HT keeps any materials perfectly conditioned throughout the printing process, ensuring reliability and repeatable quality for every project. The H2D Pro also includes a high-precision music encoder, utilising 5 micrometer resolution optical measurement to calibrate toolhead movement. This system helps to achieve the 50 micrometer accuracy across the entire build plate, laying down a strong foundation for creating accurate prints. The final major upgrade from the H2D Pro is the inclusion of a dedicated Ethernet port for stable wired connections. It also supports enterprise Wi-Fi authentication for secure wireless use and features physical kill switches for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, meeting strict data protection requirements. With advanced thermal control, durable tungsten carbide hotends, high temperature material compatibility, and skill connectivity, the Bambu Lab H2D Pro sets a new standard for professional desktop manufacturing. H2D Pro has been engineered for performance, but built for precision. If you're looking to get hands-on, feel free to come book a demo with us today.